this is a 1968 Camaro. It is an L48 350 295 horse with a 4-speed Muncie. Go get him, Jake. Doesn't matter where you are, you're going to hear it. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind that camera. As always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1968 Camaro. It is an L48 350 295 horse with a 4-speed Muncie that did come Rallye Green. Look at that beautiful Rallye Green. And it did come with black interior bucket seats, 4-speed car. Can't wait to drive it. It is beautiful, that Rallye Green, it sticks out.
Yeah, you don't see this color very often, but no. I love green, as you know.
I know, I do too.
So I definitely love this.
And let's, oh, bumperettes. Oh, beautiful. Does have a spoiler, but I still like it. Oh, wow, it's got a green Chevy hat.
Yes.
My grandpa had a hat like that.
There's a green Chevy hat. You got the nice rubber floor mats back here.
Oh, look, stickerage.
Stickerage up here, and then you also have the inflate tire.
Inflate tire.
With the inflator bottle still back there. And look at the nice Camaro pad that they put in the back of the trunks.
Ain't
always
beauty.
Very cool, very nice trunk, spacious, and I like the spoiler, so I'm okay with it.
Yeah. But it's okay, I do like the green.
Yeah.
Oh, we got windows that roll up. Good, because it's cold here today, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. They're cranky, they're not mad at you.
No,
you just got to
they're
crank
not.
them up and down.
They're happy as clams.
Big chrome bumpers. I like the hood with the little vents in it, the chrome vents.
The ice cube trays.
Absolutely awesome. You got redline tires and Rallye wheels. You want to pop the hood for us?
I do. There we are. Ooh, the 350 295 horse. It does have power steering, power brakes.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh wow,
right
look,
over there.
There's a green battery that matches the green Rallye Green outside.
Yes, it does. Also, like, it looks like, I don't know if those are headers or not, but the manifolds look really cool. Nice orange painted block, because Chevy.
Chevy things.
Yeah, there's the 350 on the sticker on the air cleaner. Really nice engine bay. Very clean, and I love the green with the white stripe across the nose too.
Gotta love that.
Very cool. Are you ready to start it up, hear it, and
Let's
take it for a
do it,
spin?
man.
Hello, Chris.
Oh, hello, it sounds a little rowdy.
Oh, yeah, it does. Sounds very rowdy. But I like it.
Oh, I think it's better rowdy. The rowdier, the better.
Oh. All right, I'm in.
He's in.
It's actually not too bad with the doors closed and the windows up, though. Here we go in a green Camaro.
It is nice. It's a Rallye Green Camaro, and I like it. It's the way it came, and I love that too.
Yeah, that engine's got some chop.
Yeah, it's got a lot of chop. Oh, nice. I love good power brakes. Sorry, got some bumps.
Love a hood with vents in it, too.
These are the ice cube trays, right?
Ice cube trays, yeah.
Oh.
Nickname for them.
Oh, nice. Very short throw. I love it.
And then down here we have controls for our air and a radio, and then we have all the Camaro gauges way down there as well.
Camaro stuff.
And the shifter for the 4-speed that Chris is currently operating down here. All right, here we go.
Nice.
So
it is a
gear
short throw
action.
shifter. Very nice. Oh, I love this. Very notchy. I love a good Muncie 4-speed.
Yeah, the Muncie 4-speed, of course, is great. Because every Muncie 4-speed is great.
It's true. I love these gauges, by the way.
Yeah, let me see if I can see them real quick. Very nice gauges.
Very nice.
I like them. Very cool
that
looking.
guy's flying.
That guy was flying around the roundabout. Let this Malibu go. I think that's what that is, or a cruise maybe.
What is that? Is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's the RS
It is
version.
a cruise.
Yikes. I do love a nice Muncie because they just fit right in gear like they're supposed to for a mechanical clutch.
Around the roundabout. Handle's pretty good. Boy, it sounds good,
Fourth
doesn't it?
gear's nice. Yeah, you know what? This is a nice little car. I love the power steering.
See, we have a speedo. We do have a tack.
And look at that tack. Yeah, and there's a clock in the middle.
There's a clock in the middle of the tack.
Which I've never seen.
Which is awesome.
This car's got a lot of things you don't see.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's got the handle.
It does have a, you know what, handle over here.
You know what.
For me, in case Chris starts driving crazy. It also
happens.
have a glove box and a horn.
Now, the gears are 390, and I didn't mention that, did I? No?
I don't think you did.
It's got a 12-bolt rear, 390 gears, so they're pretty short. So, you know, 3,000 RPMs at around 50. That's going to do that.
But it's fast.
Yeah, off the line, it's a good...
And that's what matters with a Camaro.
Yes, it is.
No one buys a Camaro and goes, I want the slow one.
But you got a really
You buy a
tiny one?
Camaro because you want the fast one.
Yeah.
Like this.
And this
354
is-
speed with 390 gears.
Nice.
We also have back seats that actually have a pretty good amount of legroom for real people. Fit your kids or grandchildren back there, whatever you want. Or your friends.
Short friends.
Short friends. I like the white ball on the shifter too.
Absolutely.
That's very nice. And they have the plaque with the shift pattern right next to it, which is very cool. I've always liked that.
I like the gauges. And remember the 2010 we were in with all these gauges? This is where they got it from. It's
Yeah.
so cool. They're
This is
so
where,
nice.
You got what, oil pressure down there, fuel gauge, battery, and temp. Temp's just starting to move.
Finally.
Because we cold started this. It's actually cold again.
Yeah, it's
in
freezing.
Missouri for whatever reason. It was getting warm, and then they said, no, you know what? We're going to give you a slight more bit of winter
We don't want it.
at the end of
By
March.
the way, we're both tired of it.
No.
I'm
We
real
also
tired
have
of it.
a cigarette lighter.
Oh, I'm sure there's
In case
an
you
ashtray
want to take
around
up
here somewhere.
smoking, but don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. Yeah, the ashtray's down here. Below the radio.
Below the beautiful Radio with a
Ray-
cassette player.
The Didio. Yeah, it does have a cassette player. I guess that's an update, because I don't think that would have had a cassette in 68.
Nope. They would have had an 8-track.
Yeah. But nice, you got a little bit of an updated radio, which is cool, but it still looks factory.
It does.
You
Got
know,
the bow tie.
took me a minute to notice that that was even a cassette player. It's got the Camaro bow tie in it, yeah,
I
and
do
a
like
digital
that.
clock. We know that it's 11:45.
We do. We're well aware. Well, it's 11:45 somewhere.
Yeah,
Is it? Is
You
it
might have
10?
to set it,
Yeah,
but-
we're gonna have to set it.
that's okay.
It's been an East Coast.
I like the
car.
bucket seats.
You too. They
They're
actually
comfy.
it drives really nice.
I know, and you have the option for shoulder belts
Oh,
up
neat.
here on the ceiling. No one ever used them, but you know, they're there.
They're there.
Nice dome light that's not cracked or nothing.
He
Visors
loves
that
it.
don't droop.
No droopy visors. That's the best thing.
And
ever.
a bean test that Chris is about to do for us. Oh, goodness. Oh, wow. Third gear? Yeah, there we go. Boy, it sounds good. Oh, he's still going.
Well, no one's in front of us. I can do what I want.
That was only 35 miles an hour. Not 80 or so.
No, never.
I don't know why we'd be going that fast.
Why would anyone do? Wow. Okay, so we can't do what I thought we were gonna do. Pull in
Maybe
here.
we can go in down here, yeah.
You think so?
What are they doing?
They're putting gates up.
That's awesome.
Wow, they're really changing the whole game down here.
All right, here we go.
Gosh, this car. It's a little screamer is what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, and now it's getting hot. Oh, I love the heat.
Yeah, the heat's on. Coolant temp still isn't up to temp though.
It is moving now, which is a great sign.
It is moving. Everything's moving. The gauges work. The fuel gauge is moving. Voltage is moving. Oil pressure is great,
Yeah.
which is always a good sign.
Oh my God, it's
You kind of
the best
want
sign.
oil pressure in your engine.
If you don't have oil pressure, folks, read a book.
You got problems.
Yeah, you do have problems.
All right.
Okay, are you ready?
You ready to do some flybys?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Nice. It's got all the good noises and all the good feelings that you get with this car. Oh hell, he went. Go get him, Jake. Doesn't matter where you are, you're going to hear it. Wow. Sounds terrifical.
Well, Chris.
Well, Jake, tell us about your ride.
How did it sound, first of all?
I was telling the good people on the phone, you can hear it all the way down the street.
Yeah.
I mean, it is not quiet.
Oh, it sounds rowdy in here, even with the windows up. And the windows roll really good, by the way.
They do.
They're nice and smooth, which I like. I mean, you got the RPM gauge and the tach, or that's the same thing, but you know what I mean, and the speedo is what I meant to say. So that's just awesome. You got the clock. You have 2 clocks, technically. You have your analog clock and the tach, and then you have your digital one.
And one RPM gauge and one tach.
Yeah. Yes. You have one of each, and they're the same thing.
Great.
But yeah, you got all the gauges down there, which is awesome too. I mean, it's just timeless, dude. And I love this green paint.
You too.
This is really cool on this car,
It is
actually.
beautiful. I'm really loving it.
You ready to take it back?
I don't want to, but yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.